Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm in my Dodge Journey today, guys. Coming over to check out, see what my man up to. I think hey, that PT right there, y'all. I'm not gonna mention that PT no more, cause till I find out what's going on. All right. Uh-oh, that's the other Charger, guys, that the guy called, say he gonna bring up to the shop. And let us look at it. But in the meantime, in between time, what my man got going on now, I want to say he pulling the engine. Hey, what the hell? You got it out. I told y'all, guys. We had to get that thing out of there. Oh, he brought it out the bottom. Some cases it's easy, guys, to bring them out the bottom. So let's find out what's going on. Hold tight. All right, yeah. So yeah, we're on to the next project, man. I told y'all we don't mess around out here. What do you don't see that used to be right here? That's right, that truck. Y'all saw that last video. That truck long gone, customer happy. Oh, this Charger here. Y'all recognize that transmission? That is a Nag 1, baby. Nag 1, 5-speed though. Yeah, 5 speeds are totally played out right about now. I'm not sure why my man dropped the cradle. Oh, any explanation behind that, man?
Yeah, good, man.
Huh? It's easier. Sometimes it's easier to. Oh no! Come on, man.
That shit was hanging past the cradle.
Oh, so got headers on it. Oh, I know this is not the typical way we take out engines, guys. We normally bring them at the top. But surprise, surprise. Oh no, this way wasn't that deep. We just gotta put something under it and bring it all out. So it's doable. It's just we didn't factor that in the estimate. So right. So all this stuff gotta be, which is actually on us, guys. So we're not. The customer's still cool with us. It's just that we didn't catch that. So right, what do? You improvise and make the best of it. Because there's nothing worse than calling a customer back telling them we need $300 more because you had headers on your car. Yeah, so what do? We suck it up. That's right, guys, we suck it up.
Suck it up.
But no big deal, like I say. Get ready to install this baby, man. Same deal, guys. We have now. Y'all know the typical used Savage yard, how they operate. Typical 90-day, 6-month warranty. All right, but that's what they give you. So this one, we're pretty much going to utilize the warranty that's equipped with it. All right, we're not going to really go proactive. And one reason is because the heads will have to come off. So, and we didn't factor that into the charge, guys. So let's be realistic. We're going to go in with what we got right here. Like I say, he got it out. Wasn't that bad. I mean, that's easy for me to say, but it wasn't that bad because he had to come out the bottom. But yeah, I can't remember. I think now, guys, I think I'm confusing y'all. We have one we're about to build, the Hemi. This is one that's not a build. This is one that's a swap. So the one we got to build, those parts was right there. I don't know if we yeah, they sitting over there on the table. So we're gonna do that one next. But for now, we gotta get this customer out. They in like a semi-hurry. We try to accommodate our customers' needs. So yeah, you can see the whole entire exhaust had to come down. And that's because we brought the engine out of the bottom. But that's no big deal. Like I say, just may need an extra hand. So time to time I sneak by and let's get this exhaust down, things like that. But yeah, man, we working over here, man. So it's going down. Now it doesn't matter how many times I say this. I saw 3 messages in my comment section. Where are you located at? And I don't mind repeating it over and over and over again. Guys, we're in the Atlanta, Georgia area. All right, small city called Snellville, Georgia. Snellville, Georgia. And I'm gonna put the in the description. I'm gonna put the website and the address on there. But like I said, I don't mind, but it's just and I think people tend to ask that when they got, you know, I guess that's the only reason you would want to know, right? You got a problem and want us to look at it. But yeah, so hey, we open, we busy, we can use some more work, and we aim to get your car right. So yeah, it's no big deal, man. We're here. We can get it out in a timely fashion. Let us know your schedule and how much time we have, and we will make it happen. But guys, remember I told you, if they don't have a core, if the engine people don't want a core on this, we can take a peek. Peeking, where you going with it? Oh, back in the engine section. What all those blocks there, man? Somebody done came over here? Oh, I see two over there. Nah, I don't want none of that. I'm gonna load. I got an empty truck. I'm gonna load all this stuff up. Y'all remember the oldie but goodie? He finally approved some work on this thing, guys. So we still waiting on parts for this one. So this one thing we don't, you know, we already hurting for space, so we like to get them in and get them out. But this particular case, it makes no sense to push it outside when the parts could show up in a minute. So we're gonna. Yeah. Oh, from my understanding, the radiator has showed up, fellas. Man, old Pitman arm and gearbox. All you today's gurus, all you young cats, what y'all know about this? This is how we achieved power steering back in the day. We had a power steering pump. Yes, power steering pump and gearbox, Pitman arm, suspension. Yes, this is how we achieved power steering back in the day. You new guys, give y'all a computer and a module. That's how we doing it now. I was fortunate enough to be in both time zones. Okay, the tail end of this though, guys. Tail end. Ah, wow! Look how they got this out in the open, guys. The torque converter. I hope there's a cover. It should be a cover right here, but I don't know if there is or not. Really, not my business, guys. I just come over here to check up. I can't spend a. Y'all know today Thursday, I got a live stream tonight, so y'all make sure y'all tune in, man. Now, I'm talking like this is gonna go out before our live stream. Highly unlikely. I got like 20 videos ahead of this to upload, but I'm starting to think maybe dropping, what y'all think? Dropping from the bottom might not be a bad idea, guys. What do y'all think? And I think it would be a lovely idea if we had a crate with wheels on it. Yeah, that would be a great idea. So this might not be a bad idea in the future. You drop an engine, bring it out from the bottom. Might not be. Think about it. That ain't the way to go. Don't forget, y'all, 41T going in this van right here. This is a piece of cake. 41 4-speed automatic transmission. So guys, y'all stay tuned, man. There's more to come, man. All right, stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next video.